In the heart of tomorrow's cities, innovation is not just a concept, it's a way of life. Welcome to Nature's Miracle, where the future is cultivated. Nature's Miracle is a company dedicated to pioneering the future of agriculture with innovative, controlled environment agriculture technology, providing sustainable methods to reshape the agriculture industries worldwide.
At Nature Miracle, we are changing agriculture with our CEA technology, offering consumer high quality and low cost vegetable products.
Here, we're not merely cultivating crops. We're laying the groundwork for the cities of the future. We are combining renewable energy, AI data centers, and vertical farming to form a new way of life. Ensure that urban landscapes flourish with fresh and sustainable produce.
We are committed to carbon reduction, water conservation, and energy efficiency.
From towering vertical farms to compact smart indoor gardens, we're shaping the cities of tomorrow and revolutionizing urban agriculture, reducing carbon emissions, as well as irrigating water, providing fresh, sustainable produce to fuel the lives of everyone on this soil. So join us in crafting a future where innovation and sustainability converge.
Nature Miracle, where miracle happens.